Hello everyone, I'm Micah. Today I am going to invite my partner, a very younger and handsome engineer. His name Justin. I will invite him to introduce my factory. He's my partner Justin. He is our factory's main engineer.
Of this program or video via the software and other apps like GameDock, Switch, mobile phone charger, AC adapter, or force SD. Doing this for 20 years old.
Because we attach special importance to quality, we have gained a lot of loyal customers in the past 20 years, and we are the factory behind the top brands on major e-commerce platforms.
If you have any requirements, please contact me or follow me.